What if I told you that you could build a $100,000 a year income using AI? Without coding, without hiring a big team, and without building your own software? Most people are using AI to save time. Smart entrepreneurs are using AI to build leverage. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you 3 realistic AI business models that are already generating serious income right now. Show rotating 3D pillars labeled AI automation, AI content systems, and AI digital products. These are scalable, they're beginner-friendly, and they don't require you to invent anything new. You just position yourself between AI tools and businesses that don't understand them yet. Let's dive into the first model, AI automation. First model, AI automation agency. Small businesses across America are overwhelmed. They need automation, but they don't know where to start. And that is exactly where your biggest opportunity lies. You use AI tools to build chatbots, automated email sequences, lead qualification systems, appointment booking flows, and content pipelines. You charge a setup fee, then you charge a monthly retainer. $2,000 setup plus $2,500 monthly X5 clients. I won $14,000 per year. You don't need 100 clients, you need a few good ones. Second model, AI content systems. AI can now write scripts, generate visuals, edit videos, create thumbnails, and optimize titles. That means you can build faceless YouTube channels, TikTok brands, niche Instagram pages, or affiliate funnels at scale. You become the operator. AI becomes the production team. Third model, AI digital products. This is where real leverage happens. You use AI to help create digital assets like online courses, niche toolkits, prompt libraries, Notion templates, marketing playbooks, or automation frameworks. You build it once, you sell it forever. Traffic, landing page, payment, instant digital delivery. If you sell a $49 product and make just 6 sales a day, that's over $100,000 a year. And AI dramatically reduces the time it takes to create and launch these products. The biggest opportunity right now isn't building AI, it's applying AI. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. Start now. Build smart. Scale fast. Leverage AI. Build freedom.